Oil change due warning reset in a Mazda. This is a CX9 and that oil change due warning is not being reset. If you go over here, you can see in the center infotainment section, the oil change warning is already reset, but we have the fault still on the dash. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset that now. So again, the sequence to reset this usually is through that infotainment in the middle. You would go into applications, you would come over to status monitor, maintenance, and you would reset it there. Oil change is already reset here. It's to 10,000 Ks, so we know that hasn't worked. We still have the oil change due. What you will need to do is flick the ignition off and you'll be holding the trip and pushing the start button simultaneously. You hold it until a triangle starts flashing on the dash, and once it stops flashing, release, and it should reset that. I've had this a couple of times, not many, and that manual type reset has worked, so I'm going to try that now. So what you want to do is push the start button, get the ignition on, and simultaneously push the trip button. We're going to push them on together. And then we're going to hold that in. See that triangle flashing there? We keep it held until it stops. Release. And then we'll check to see if that's worked. Flick the vehicle on again. I'll start the car. And as you can see, that warning light is now gone off. So a little workaround should you have this issue on your Mazda on how to reset that light. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.